to be lovely and clean for when we come back from the weekend away. And then as soon as I get back, I can get on with decorating, because I am so excited this year for decorating the house. I don't know what it is. 2020 has just been such a weird year, hasn't it? And then Christmas is just amazing. And after my after my black jumper the other day, you see the cheeky little face. Hello. Yeah, after wearing my black jumper in my video the other day, I thought I'd put something a little more festive on. This is basically the only thing I could find. My sister brought this back from Canada for me, and it's lovely as just a long sleeve t-shirt, but it makes a really good base layer as well. Yeah, I've got some Christmas inspiration here. I've got the brochure from the White Company, which is lovely, and it's given me so many ideas. Christmas food brochure. And today I plan to go to Waitrose and possibly M&S and pick up theirs as well, because I love just getting the inspiration for the layout and for recipes and stuff sometimes in there. So yeah, there's some decorating inspo. Just come to my office. You know what, I love saying that. I've always wanted my own office. And I set this up, not that, yeah, and I'm just filling out my weekly cleaning list. I follow Team TOMM, but I use Mrs Hinch's book of lists, which is fun. So it's important for me to write down what I've achieved as well as what I still have to do. So this is what it looks like, achieved as well as what I still have to do. So this is what it looks like. Definitely my least favourite job of all time. I absolutely hate doing it, and I dream of the day when I have a dishwasher again. The next thing I'm going to do is just hang out a load of washing. What am I going to put? No, it's raining, so it's not going outside. It's going to go on the clothes horse. That's my two least favourite jobs out the way: hanging out the washing and doing the washing up. I do all of the surfaces in the kitchen and then get on with the windows, which I actually really like doing, and Els likes to help me as well. I like to limit the number of cleaning products that I use. I think that so many of them do so many different things that I can just limit it to 4 or 5. So I always use pink stuff on the sink, basically the only place I use it. The worktops and all of the surfaces in the kitchen get sprayed with zoflora. At the minute I'm using Winter Morning, which is my absolute favourite zoflora. I love it so much. And then anything shiny is done with Mr Sheen, including the windows, because I find Mr Sheen multi-surface polish is so much better than any window cleaner I've ever come across. And then I love the smell of this Febreze cranberry. It just makes the house smell so nice and festive. Diluted fabric softener for the fabric. So that's basically my cleaning kit for the kitchen. And I colour coordinate my cloth. So pink stuff is pink, zoflora is blue, and then Mr Sheen is a yellow, old-fashioned duster. One of the first things I do in the kitchen is just wipe down every single worktop with zoflora. Because I've got the cats and they walk all over the surfaces, before anything else happens, I sterilise every single surface. So I always start with by the sink and just work my way around, and then I know that I've covered everything that I need to do around the kitchen. You gonna help me? Should I get you water?
Yeah, water.
Yeah, water. So Eleanor loves helping. So this isn't window clean, this is water. So she can go round and spray. There you go, my darling. So she can go and spray like all the surfaces and stuff without getting involved with the chemicals. Because Yeah? Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Elsa's taken to say welcome when you say thank you to her, which is very, very polite. Hello. Somebody's come to help. Hi. Say hello. Oh, no, not glasses, baby. Not glasses. There, shall we put them on?
No.
Yeah? On? So, oh yeah, I'm going to treat myself to a cup of coffee, and then me and Els are going to do the windows. You going to help me do the windows?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. There's really not a lot to do in here now, apart from mopping the floor. And then I can move on to the next room, which is probably going to be the hall. This is Eleanor's room, so it should be okay, except there's no light in here right now. So at least her bed is kind of made, although there's still more clothes, which she has to take with her. Oh, open the window. This is our lovely street. I don't know why it's blue. Still quite early, so my camera's made it blue. But yeah, this is Elle's room. It's very simple. She's got her ball pool there, balls everywhere. She'll need tidying up. Her clothes are a bit of a mess because she was choosing what to wear today and she pulled the dress off. Yeah, it's not overly bad in here. It needs a bit of a hoover and a dust, but that's not so bad. It's actually so embarrassing showing you the state of my bedroom right now. There's Skip. Hi, Skippy. Yeah, sitting in the middle of the bed, surrounded by things that we're going to be taking with us. So I picked up some new clothes for Eleanor from H&M. They do these really lovely multi-packs. So I'll find them and link them below. Eleanor now officially has more loungewear than I do. She's very, very comfy. And so is Skip. Hi, Skippy. Skip is my little feral. She's 4, but she's the same size as a little 6-month-old kitten, aren't you? Teeny tiny. So yeah, there's a coffee cup from last night. My ring light is just randomly there. There's a teddy on the windowsill. There's a pile of clothes there. No door on the wardrobe, that needs fixing. Laundry drying. Washing to go in. Random glass. Let's get rid of that, shall we? More clothes to put away. It's just like every day is laundry day and the bed's not even... And my office, aka the room of doom. This is Christmas stuff. This is Christmas stuff. That's Christmas stuff. This is Christmas stuff, and then there's a present there for Eleanor. and things for her kitchen in the garden, a notebook which has been knocked off my desk, air purifier because with 3 cats, yeah, you got to purify the air, more notebooks. I only really moved in here last week, and then I'm not really sorted out yet. And then that there is my Christmas outfits, which I'm just like gathering stuff together for the festive season, planning what to wear. And then some clothes, so some faux leather trousers slung over the top. Not tidy. And my beautiful faux fur coat, which was my nan's. This is so lovely. It's so warm. I almost never wear it because it's got to be somewhere, well, it's probably 100 years old now, approaching 100 years old. It's just beautiful. Definitely fake, definitely faux, not real, because I always come out in a big rash if I wear real fur, and my nan did as well. So all of her things are faux fur. She never had anything real. And then, yeah, just big old mess. That's literally all I'm doing in here. Just a quick hoover and a bit of a polish, clean the windows. My vision board for 2020 is here. Many of these things didn't happen. I mean, I put travelling on there. Obviously that's not happened this year. Neither is scuba diving. But what I have done is I've started my wellness business, which is this one, and my finances have gone up, which is what this 2020 with the coins was all about. I haven't met the man of my dreams, not yet, but this is my favourite. I am loved, I am happy, I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am worthy. After Christmas, I'm going to do a vision boarding for 2021 video with you, and we'll set our intentions for next year. See what comes of it. We'll see what's happened this year to tick off. And yeah, a little bit of a tidy. And then when I've finished all of my housework, I'll tick it all off in my Mrs Hinch book. That I am almost finished with today's big clean. I don't normally do it like this. Normally I follow Team TOMM, which is a half an hour a day, and you just keep on top of it that way. But this week has been so hectic. I've launched my own brand company. This also with the boiler people being here yesterday. I got behind, so I was supposed to be I planned on doing this yesterday, which would give me enough time to get ready for going away this weekend, but it all got put back a bit. So poor Els is downstairs. She's fine. She's been ever so good, just playing and watching TV. But I feel really bad because I've kind of neglected her today to get this done. So I'm going to just do the last couple of bits in here, which is literally making the bed and packing the clothes that I've chosen. Hey, this is future Kerry talking to you to say that editing this video, and I've realised I didn't do an ending for you. So I am aware that I haven't filmed cleaning the living room, but I thought by the time you'd seen half a dozen rooms already, you'd be getting a little bit bored. It's just more of the same, hoovering, tidying up, using the same products all over. And I think the living room takes me about 20 minutes to do. We're pretty tidy on the whole and pretty clean. It's just general maintenance most of the time. The next video you'll see is us decorating our Christmas trees. Eleanor's got hers and I get the big one, and we are going to decorate our little hearts out ready for Christmas. We're going to do that at the weekend, so that'll be hitting your notifications next week, so switch them on. And if you have liked this video and my previous videos, then please consider subscribing, give me a like, send me a comment, tell me what you want to see, and I will see you decorating our Christmas trees next week. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you soon. Bye.